Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.